Hello viewers, welcome to the video lecture series on animal health worker, the job role under agriculture sector. In previous session, we have discussed basics of animal behavior in relation to handling. Now in today's video lecture, we will cover session 2 of the unit entitled Restraining of Farm Animals. In this session, we will discuss various elements of animal handling, important aspects of animal handling, and signs of distress in farm animals. So viewers, let us first discuss the 3 essential elements of animal handling. Although the area of animal behavior and control is quite vast, but an animal health worker must be well conversant with the following 3 essential elements of animal behavior and control, which are flight zone, blind spot, and point of balance. So what is a flight zone? All animals have a flight zone, which is the animal's personal space. It is the space in which the animals feel comfortable. It is the minimum distance the animal tries to maintain between itself and perceived threat. The size of the flight zone varies depending on how calm or aggressive an animal is. Cattle confined to a small space have a smaller flight zone than cattle kept in a larger area. The size of the flight zone slowly diminishes when animals receives frequent gentle handling. An understanding of the flight zone of the animal can help the handlers to reduce stress and prevent accidents. Then the second zone is blind spot. It is necessary to remember that the area immediately behind the tail of the animals, extending up to 15 degrees on either side, that is the total 30 degrees, is treated as the blind spot. But the animal cannot perceive the handler. An efficient handler never approaches the animal in the area of blind spot, as it may get frightened and cause injury to handler. Now the third is point of balance. This is another important concept of livestock handling. Farm animals have a wide angle of vision. Point of balance is the imaginary point located on the animal's shoulders, which divides the animal's body into 2 portions, that is the front portion and the rear portion. If the handler crosses the hypothetical point in the direction of the front portion, the animal generally moves backwards. But if the handler stays in rear portions, the animal moves in forward direction. So viewers, after understanding the 3 elements of animal handling, now let us understand what are the important points which must be taken into consideration while handling the farm animal. The number 1 is never handle an excited animal. Excited animals are difficult to handle. Thus, if cattle become excited, allow them at least 30 minutes to return to normalcy. Second point is changes in animal behavior due to stress. Animals express fear or alarm under stress through their behavioral symptoms. Then the third point is avoid contrasting situation. Cattle are colorblind and have poor depth perception. It implies that they are very sensitive to contrast. Therefore, contrasting situations are to be avoided in the farm. Then fourth point is avoid high-pitched noises. Animals are frightened by high-pitched noises. When cattle are moved quietly, they remain calm and are a lot easier to handle. So fifth point is animals remember bad experiences. Cattle also remember bad experiences and create association from fearful memories. For example, if a bald man caused pain to a cow, the same cow may exhibit fear towards all bald men. Then the sixth point is direction of kicking. Cattle usually kick in forward direction, then kick out and back in a swinging motion. The animal health worker must be aware of this kicking habit to avoid injury to self and to the animal. Then 7th point is attachment with the owner. Animals are also very observant. They learn to watch and listen to their owners, even when they may appear to be inattentive. Animals can sense the human mood by watching the human behavior. Then the 8th point is proper handling techniques. Some animals take longer than others to get trained, but all farm animals can be handled safely and effectively if proper techniques are used. So viewers, let us now discuss the various signs of distress in farm animals. You will be surprised to know that animals during stress condition expresses fear, distress or alarm through their behavioral symptoms. An animal under stress may have raised ears, do rapid tail movements, flicking or repetitive swinging, do snoring and repetitive vocalization, and pawing, that is scraping the ground with its hooves. Observing these signs of distress and identifying the reason behind the stress in animal enables the handling of the farm animals in a better way. So viewers, this is all for today. In today's video, we have learned 3 essential elements of animal handling, which are fright zone, blind spot and point of balance, important aspects of animal handling and sign of distress in farm animals. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. We will meet in next video lecture. Till then, keep watching and keep learning. Thank you.